Yes, I'm Roman, and today we are in Rosult, a French commune which is located in the Nord department of France and specifically in the Hauts-de-France region. Now, let's take a look at this beautiful city. And here we have Notre-Dame de Bon Secours. I actually wanted to see what the town hall looks like in Rosult, but unfortunately I won't be able to because the town hall is in that direction. And if you look in that direction, you can see that there's literally no place for me to walk because it's limited to cars, it's limited to vehicles. And even if I could find somewhere to walk, I think it would be dangerous to continue. But then if you look clearly there, it says Rosult and there's a sort of, it's crossed out. So I suppose that's no longer Rosult. So let's turn back and see what's on the other side. So we're here again, and this time we will go the opposite direction. I could either go left or I could go right, but let's go right. Also, it's interesting that the mairie is said to be in that direction, the opposite direction where I'm coming from, but the sign clearly said that I was leaving the city. That's weird. That says there's a mairie that direction. Interesting. While here we are going to Lucelle-Sas-Romgy. There's a little bridge here. So let's cross. Right, unfortunately, I will stop my travel here for today because it seems as if there's not much to see in this city, and based on the sign there, the mairie is in that direction, so I'm not sure why Google Maps showed me the other direction. And there should be a few other interesting things in that direction, but nonetheless I think we have an idea of what the city has to offer. So I will take this time to quickly go to the train station because there aren't many trains that come here, and if I miss my current train then I will have to wait for a really long time before the next one comes, because sometimes in small rural areas like these you don't have a lot of access to transportation, and therefore you have to really plan what you're doing. And in order to avoid waiting here for more than 1 or 2 hours, it's best I just go to take the train right now. And if you'd like to see what the mairie looks like, among other things, then stop by at Rosult. And with that said, if you enjoyed this video as usual, I thought that was a train. So if you like this video as usual, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and if you live here in Rosult, si vous habitez ici à Rosult, donc laissez-moi un commentaire. Ciao.